Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in, and today we are going to review the new Dell Inspiron 13 7373 2-in-1 laptop, which is priced at 94,990 rupees. Starting with the build and design, the Inspiron 13 offers an all-aluminium shell both front and back, which is premium to touch and seems quite robust. It is easily one of the better built laptops at this price. That said, don't expect the build quality to be at par with Dell's XPS lineup, which is still a grade above. The 13.3-inch display offers the standard 1920x1080p resolution and uses an IPS LCD panel. The display has good color fidelity and the viewing angles are also satisfactory. The glossy touchscreen display does get a bit reflective under bright light, but that is not really a deal breaker. Talking about I/O, we are happy with the selection of the ports on this laptop. On the left, you get a USB 3.0 Type-C Generation 1 port, an HDMI out, a USB 3.0 Type-A port, and a headphone mic combo jack. On the right, you get another USB 3.0 Type-A port and an SD card slot. This is more than what its competitors have to offer. The keyboard, on the other hand, might not be winning awards, but it is reliable. Don't set your expectations too high though. The keyboard on this machine has a short travel and the keys are a little stiff, so we started getting a jarring feeling in the fingers after just couple of hours of typing, but your mileage may vary. The touchpad is not as good as the one found on its expensive sibling. You are getting a plastic matte finish touchpad, which is not as smooth as some of its rivals. It has an odd, grainy feel to it, which seems a bit too rough. Inside, you are getting the latest Intel Core i7-8550U processor. This is the latest top-of-the-line 8th generation Intel processor for non-gaming laptops at the moment. This powerhouse chip is paired with a dual-channel 16GB RAM kit, which is enough for almost all tasks this processor can handle. The 512GB M.2 SSD storage is only a SATA drive, and hence you will get much lower speeds compared to PCIe-based SSDs, which are fast becoming common specification among thin and light laptops. There is no heating issue as such if you are just using the machine for just office work or browsing the web, but it does get a little warm above the keyboard. The audio output via the twin speakers is quite loud but does crack at higher volumes. The audio quality seems decent, and though it will lack a proper bass, you can still listen to some music. Also, instead of a fingerprint sensor, you get a Windows Hello enabled camera. The worst part, however, about this laptop is the battery life, which is just 3 to 4 hours. In comparison, most thin and light laptops offer almost double the battery life. We find it quite baffling that at one end the Dell XPS line offers one of the best battery life in this category. And then there is the Inspiron 7373, which is unable to match even some mainstream laptops. So the bottom line is that the Dell Inspiron 7373 may look classy and might seem like the next best thing to the Dell XPS. However, it is not the machine we thought it would be. So what do you think about this review? Comment down below and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.